Hello again, it's Catherine White, First Aid. Welcome to another Trainer Tuesday. Today we're going to show you how you can practice your first aid skills at home or at work without any special kit. We're going to look at bleeding and we're going to look at CPR. So for bleeding, keep any of your out-of-date bandages perhaps in a little box, and every now and again get your friends, your family, your colleagues together and practice bandaging different areas of the body, and that way you get to practice different skills. For CPR, you don't need a mannequin, all you need is a pillow on the floor. So let me show you. So practice putting your hands in the right position, practice pushing against the pillow. Pushing against the pillow does mimic pushing against the chest. Practice doing 30 chest compressions and then stopping, 1 breath, 2 breaths, back to the chest, pushing for 30. Also practice the whole scenario, so practice your Dr. ABC, your primary survey. So D for danger, R for response, A for airway, B for breathing, C for circulation. Practice the whole scenario, and in that way you can keep your skills high and keep your confidence high. So hope that helps. See you next time.